Hey, it's Chuck Food Reviews, Cooking with Chuck. Another edition of the series. But this time, what we're going to do is we're going to take an item like this and reinvent it. Oh yeah, we're going to take this and reinvent it. Let's go get some spices. We're gonna need this. We got the beans. So I'm gonna call this product Chuck's Fart Brew. Chuck's Fart Brew. There we go. Falcons. They blew the lead. B-E-W-L-E-A-D to the P-A-T-R-I-O-T-S. Brady. Dang it. There we go. Got some beans. Hot sauce. Add a little something else. Oh, I'm not going to add a little garlic. Chuck's Fart Brew. Or let's see. Chuck's Fart Brew. Man, there we go. A little garlic. A little garlic. More garlic. Got some Danos. I'll do a review of this. I'll upload after this. Or probably, yeah. So, wait a minute. Here we go. Put a little Danos spicy. Make sure you have an extra SHEETS sheets. Stir that around. Here we go. I'm gonna add a little garlic powder. Be right back. I go to the restroom. Here we go. We got some Nashville hot chicken. Nashville hot chicken. Wait a minute. Be right back. I gotta go to the restroom again. And then we're gonna add some paprika. Okay. Here we go. Add some more hot sauce. There we go. Oh Lord, somebody must have farted in there. Hear that coughing. My bad. Farted. There we go. I'm gonna put this in the microwave. Be right back. I'm gonna need some extra toilet paper, probably for this one. The camera ain't rolling. Oh. Oh. Here we go. No teleprompter. TELEPROMPTER. You know the thing you do. Here we go. Oh my word. That's hot. Look at that. Do a fly by FLYB. Wow. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more food reviews and more. Tell me if you enjoyed this video.